Okay, we want to solve this equation between 0 and 2 pi. It's 2x, so we double the range. So we're going to go up to 4 pi. And we're going to draw it twice. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, and then we can draw, well, this is our x-axis, this is our y. We can draw a line at y equals minus 0.6. And we can see we're going to get 4 solutions. Okay, so when we put it in on our calculator, we get 2x equals, when we do sine to the minus 1 of minus 0.6, we get minus 0.6453, Okay, but that's not going to be one of our answers because it's not in the range. Okay, so then we can think, all right, we know that the answer we just got is this. So this distance, this minus 0.6435, that is how long that is, 0.6435. So this distance here is also going to be 0.6435, and this distance here is 0.6435, and this distance here is 0.6435, and this distance here is 0.6435. So we can find all our values for 2x. 2x equals pi plus, see, because this is pi, so pi plus 0.6435, okay, and this is going to be 2 pi minus 0.64, okay, this one, because this is 3 pi, so this is going to be 3 pi plus 0.643, and finally, our last one here is 4 pi minus 0.6435, Okay, so basically the important thing here is we can't use rounded answers. That's where a lot of people lost marks. They used, say, 0.64, and then it just completely messed the whole thing up. So we still need to divide by 2. So once you've got your answers, then you need to divide by 2, and you'll get x equals blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then it says, where exact answers can't be given, give your answers to 3SF. Okay, in these kind of questions, we've got a normal cos and then we've got a sine squared. We don't know how to change normal cos into sine, but we do know how to change sine squared into cos squared, or at least something to do with it. So let's do that. 2, 1 minus cos squared x, using sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, minus cos x, minus 1 equals 0, and so that gives us 2 minus 2 cos squared x minus cos x minus 1 equals 0, and if we put this on the other side, we get 2 cos squared x plus cos x minus 1 equals 0, and we can factorise that to give 2 cos x minus 1 and cos x plus 1. Okay, and that will give us cos x equals half and cos x equals minus 1. Okay, so we want to solve these separately, so draw some graphs. Oh, should go this way because we're doing it for this region. Okay, so we draw a line at a half, and our two solutions are going to be this one, and they are x equals plus or minus pi by 3. Okay, now with this one, we draw a graph again, and draw a line at minus 1, and we got this one, and we kind of think we've got this one, but then we look again here, and it doesn't include pi. Pi is not in the range. Okay, so we don't include this one, minus pi. So minus pi is the one that's not in the range, pi is in the range. That's because this is less than or equal, but this is just a less than. Okay, so this just gives us x equals pi, and so our final answer, x equals, let's put them in order because it's nicer, minus pi by 3, and pi.